Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to make character AI load faster. If you are finding that character is loading slowly, there are a few strategies you can try to improve the loading time and overall performance. First is to check your internet connection. A slow internet connection can significantly affect loading times. Make sure you are connected to a stable and fast internet connection. You can check your internet speed using online tools like speedtest.net to make sure it meets the minimum requirement for web browsing. You can also clear browser cache. Browser cache can accumulate over time and slow down web application. Clearing your cache can help improve load times. Some browser extensions can interfere with the loading times of websites, specifically extensions that block ads or run background tasks. By disabling any unnecessary extension and check if it improves the loading speed. Also, outdated browser can sometimes have performance issues with newer web application. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Update your browser to ensure optimal performance. If you are facing slow performance on one browser, try switching to another. Sometimes simply refreshing the page can resolve minor issues with loading. If you are still having problem, try restarting your browser or computer. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the speed at which character AI loads and interacts with you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.